The second battle, it had the same cancer and they used the same chemo, but she recovered 5 to 6 times faster. I'll say that again. Second battle, same cancer, same harsh chemo, but what was different this time? This time, the Movida Cancer Recovery Program was ready. She followed our program closely. She cut out the noise and the expensive outside treatments, including the overpriced toxic supplements that do more harm than good. The doctors pushed for 9 rounds of chemo, but she held them to just 5. She actually believes she only needed 2 because that's what her scans said. But the results, she beat it again, but not in 4 years, in just 5 months, a 5 to 6 times faster recovery. In fact, her oncologist had never seen a patient respond so well to chemo. The difference? Focusing on what really works, the Movida Cancer Recovery Program, and eliminating what doesn't, all the other garbage, all the other bullshit. So she won the battle again, but we knew we couldn't stop there. Why? Because now we understood that getting to no evidence of disease is only half the battle. This is why the Detox Chemo Program was created. While no evidence of disease is amazing, it doesn't mean healthy. The chemo and other toxins, they stay trapped in the body. They cause lasting pain and create the perfect environment for dis-ease, and a third recurrence is almost guaranteed. We had to get the chemo out of her. In Alisa's own words, if I had known what the chemo would do to me, the lasting side effects, I wouldn't have done it. I feel worse now than ever. So that's why I created the Detox Chemo Program. It was originally created specifically for her, to remove the toxic residue, restore her health, and keep the cancer gone for good. Then we got a ton of others that raised their hands and said, I definitely need this too. And that is how the Detox Chemo 8-week chemo recovery program was born. And we didn't just build a detox, we built a complete system. One program, 4 powerful systems working together. This isn't a quick juice cleanse like the 21-day reset. That isn't enough. It is 4 complete programs built into one. The first one is an intensified 21-day reset, a longer, more intense version of the standard health reset to give the body the ultimate break from toxins and inflammatory inputs. Number 2 is the biofilm busting protocol, to break down and mobilize the trapped toxins, heavy metals, and parasites. Number 3 is our junk removal system, to safely bind and flush those toxins out of the body so they don't get reabsorbed. And number 4 is our AWOL, a way of life program, the long-term tools needed to maintain your results forever. And unlike the clinics that nickel and dime you for every pill, everything you need is included. Nothing extra to buy. We literally provide everything. There are no $4,000 monthly supplement bills. The biofilm busters, the binders, spirulina, chlorella, and the trifecta of health, including the RSO, it's all included. You also get one-on-one meetings and group support. You're never abandoned. The only additional cost you will have is your food and your water. That's it. So you slayed the beast. You beat the cancer. Now it's time to actually heal. You don't have to suffer. You don't have to settle. If you are suffering from the after effects of chemo, I want you to know that you don't have to live like this. You don't have to accept the pain, the fatigue, or the fear of recurrence as your new normal. Your body knows how to heal. It just needs the toxins removed and the right support given. Alisa is doing it. You can too. The Detox Chemo Program was created to fill the gap the medical industry refuses to fill. Visit detoxchemo.com to join the program and let us help you get your health and your life back with 0 side effects. If you'd like to watch the interview that this info came from and hear the story in Alisa's own words, click the link in the description. This is Al Morenton with Movida and MyFitLife, where knowledge is power and health is wealth. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.